Hello guys, it's Rob Jordan Donny now. It's okay now this is a tutorial about um about how to download a skin in Minecraft. You can download in your computer because this not good. So first go to your browser, any kind of browser, but I recommend you Google Chrome because this is the fastest browser I know. Okay, first let's go to skindex.com. Skindex.com. You'll see the search this. Okay, and enter. Okay. When you go, sorry for the lag. Oh, not this. Sorry. This are wrong. Oh no. Oh yes, you can see here free Minecraft skins. Yep. Just click it. Double click it. Slowly. Oh no. Sorry for that. This is a wrong website. Let's do it again. Sorry. Okay, let's just go in minecraftskins.com because the skin decks maybe it's blocked. So let's go to minecraftskins.com. Enter minecraftskins.com. www.minecraftskins.com. Okay, it's loading, and you can go here in the skin decks thing. Okay. So let's see. You can search what you want, or you can there's a choose you can choose your top latest music comments or anything. So let's search let's see Steve. Steve. Search for Steve. There's Steve. So I want Farmer Steve. Let's click Farmer Steve. And there you can see this. Yes. Then you can like it or tweet it, but if you want now you download it to your computer. Okay. And there you go. The skin is downloaded. Then, okay. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Thank you. Thank you. And please follow me on Twitter at RalphGerard0302 at yahoo.com. At RalphGerard0302. Please follow me on Twitter for more updates. Thanks, guys.